Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and a refreshing smoothie, which is carrot smoothie. For this carrot smoothie, I'm going to be using few small carrots, apple, condensed milk, ginger, milk, and ice. I'm going to start by washing the apple and the carrots. Just make sure you wash everything and it's clean. I'm going to peel off the skin of the carrot. Next, I'm going to chop the carrot into smaller pieces as well. Peel off your ginger and cut into tiny pieces as well. Ginger will help to enhance the taste of the carrot smoothie. Into the blender, I'm going to combine carrots and the apple and ginger. I'm also adding in condensed milk. This is going to serve as my sweetener. You can use honey in place of condensed milk. I don't like it too overly sweet, so I'm just going to use only condensed milk. You can use sugar as your sweetener as well. Next, I'm going to add in half cup of milk and ice. Next, I'm going to blend this into a very smooth consistency. Okay, once you're done blending, you should have a very smooth consistency like this. I'm going to bring this into a serving jar. This is quite thick and really refreshing. You can top your carrot smoothie with finely chopped apple and finely chopped carrots. So guys, your carrot smoothie is ready. This is really nutritious. You can have this on a sunny day. It's perfect for the summer. I hope you like this video. Do remember to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.